Chainlink holders, this is urgent video because my brother, they completely in the lost, my brother, and holders doing one big mistake. Absolutely, if you do this mistake, my brother, you are completely lost, my brother. I clearly tell you, this is not a financial video. If you are starting selling, absolutely, my brother, you are completely lost. What's the mistake to holders doing in this time? Let's see, my brother, let's see. But kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So let's see, my brother, to what's going on in the current time and what we do. What's the mistake of holder, my brother? This time you can see here the last 7 days chart is I already open it, and this time you can see here minus 1.08% the price is fails down. You know why they fails down? Absolutely, my friend. At the end of month, every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket, but definitely, my friend, especially after this one, you can see here they also moving upward. So you know, at the start of month, every cryptocurrency fails down, but definitely you can see here at this time they're moving upward. So it's mean, my brothers, they cannot fail us down in this month. Just and only they fail us down in the May, my friends. You can see here at this time you can see May 28, May 29, and absolutely, my friends, you can see here this time every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket, but definitely this fails down. So this is the main reason is that, my friends, to holders starting selling. Definitely short-term investor, if short-term investor starting selling, then absolutely they fail us down. So I have one request for all holders, my brother. To the end of month, every cryptocurrency is moving up like a rocket. I am also holder of Chainlink holder, my brother. Remember to I'm also holder. So therefore I tell you, my brothers, to don't see it this time. I hope, my friends, the price is moving up very fastly, and they will give you 40 USD dollar just and only, my brother, in 1 week, my brother, if you are hold just and only for 1 week. So try to understand. I hope in a very short time Chainlink will give you a very good profit, because Chainlink has been moving upward. Absolutely, the price is very fastly increased now. So don't do this mistake. Don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will increase now in upcoming time, so you need to hold. Allah Hafiz, take care. Please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.